How to add audio in Canva. Let's get started. Launch your Canva and make sure you have already logged into your account. Now select the video in which you want to add the audio. I'm gonna add audio in this video. Once you select the video, at the left corner you're gonna find different options. Here towards this option of uploads. Under that you will find different options. Go to this option of audio. Now over here you will see this option of record yourself. Click on it. With that, your camera and microphone will be enabled and you can record yourself and add that clip to the video. Likewise, another thing you can do is make sure you have already recorded the audio and saved it. Now you can use that audio for this video clip. So click on this option of upload files. Upload the audio that you want to add in this video. After you upload the audio, you will be able to find the audio clip under this audio section. Now you have to click on that audio clip. With that, the audio clip will be added. Now at the bottom, you will be able to find that audio. And from there, you are able to adjust the audio clip. Now I can play the video. Audio and video will be synced together. So this way you can easily add audio in Canva. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.